On the invitation of Dr. Abiy Ahmed, Prime Minister of Ethiopia, Modi ji is visiting Ethiopia on 16th and 17th of December. And this visit is going to discuss on the entire gamut of relationship between both the countries. And we, during the visit, the both leaders will also review the issues which are related to regional and international issues.
So, how does this visit aim in strengthening the long-standing diplomatic relations between India and Ethiopia?
India and Ethiopia are two civilizational countries, and we have very long-standing, deep and friendly relationship. This visit is taking place on the 15th year of for last 15 years no Prime Minister from India has visited this place. So this is a very historic moment for us, and we see that there are a big and rich agenda on which the discussions will take place. It will strengthen the cooperation at the bilateral level. Both the countries are members of BRICS, and we are very important partners when it comes to cooperating on international issues such as UN reforms, regional issues, and also there are agendas which we discuss at the regional level, particularly at the level of BRICS. So India is going to be the chair of BRICS in 2026, Ethiopia being an important member. So all those issues will come up during the discussions.
So are there any key agreements or MOUs expected to be signed during the visit?
We are under discussion on multiple sectors, and we expect that there will be a good outcome of this visit, which will be conveyed to the media on 16th evening.
So what are the sectors of the bilateral cooperation likely to receive special focus, like education, health, defense, agriculture, digital technology?
You have rightly mentioned all these sectors are on our agenda for discussion. And in addition, investments from India in Ethiopia, mining sector, digital public infrastructure, cyber security, these are the areas. Agriculture is a very important area because 80% of Ethiopians depend on agriculture for their livelihood. So we are going to discuss wide-ranging areas, and I doubt that there is anything which has been left out.
So will there be any discussions on strengthening India-Ethiopia cooperation in renewable energy, especially solar and green hydrogen?
You have touched upon a very important point. Through International Solar Alliance, a large number of projects are proposed to be launched in Ethiopia, and this ranges from solar rooftop, of regional connectivity through solar energy, off-grid connectivity, solar pumps, so that the lives of those people who are not part of the national grid, they can be provided access to energy. And access to energy is also one of the very important element and very important anti-poverty measure.
So is there any special outreach plan for the Indian diaspora living in Ethiopia during the visit?
The Indian diaspora is roughly 2,500 in numbers. They come from various parts of the country. So the diaspora is actively working on a plan to receive and welcome His Excellency the Prime Minister of India. And a large number of activities starting from recitation of various songs and poems is there. So on 16th evening you will see that the Indian diaspora had made a memorable and remarkable welcome to the Prime Minister of India.